Welcome to another video of Watch It Play. In this video we will explain how the Kissimmee's meandering floodplains teemed with life before they were diverted into a straight canal a half-century ago. A recently completed project has restored the curves, seen here, and replenished the wetlands, and the waterfowl, raptors, fish, and mammals are returning. Let's begin. Deep in the heart of Florida, a remarkable environmental success story is unfolding. After decades of human intervention and ecological damage, the Kissimmee River, once referred to as an ecological disaster, is being restored to its natural state, and wildlife is thriving once again. The Kissimmee River, which stretches for 103 miles from Lake Kissimmee to Lake Okeechobee, was once a meandering river with a slow flow, lined with marshes, wetlands, and cypress forests. However, in the 1960s, the river was channelized, straightened, and dredged to make way for agricultural and development activities. This alteration disrupted the natural hydrology of the river, leading to a host of negative impacts on the surrounding ecosystem, including loss of wildlife habitat, reduced water quality, and increased risk of flooding. Realizing the need for conservation and restoration, a concerted effort was made by federal and state agencies, environmental organizations, and local communities to reverse the damage done to the Kissimmee River. The Kissimmee River Restoration Project, initiated in 1992, aimed to restore the river's natural flow and recreate the wetlands and floodplains that once existed along its banks. Over the years, the project has involved a complex process of removing dikes, filling canals, and reshaping the river channel to allow water to flow more freely, mimicking its natural flow patterns. The project also involved re-establishing wetlands, floodplains, and natural vegetation to provide habitat for a diverse range of wildlife species. The restoration efforts have yielded remarkable results. Today, much of the Kissimmee River has been successfully restored to its natural state, and the impacts are evident. Wildlife is thriving in the newly created wetlands and floodplains. Rare and endangered species such as the Florida panther, wood stork, and snail kite are making a comeback, and their populations are steadily increasing. The restoration has also resulted in improved water quality, reduced risk of flooding, and increased recreational opportunities for local communities and visitors. The success of the Kissimmee River Restoration Project serves as a model for similar efforts around the world. It demonstrates that with careful planning, collaboration among stakeholders, and a commitment to conservation, it is possible to reverse the damage done to fragile ecosystems and restore them to their natural state. The restoration of the Kissimmee River has also brought economic benefits to the region. The increased recreational opportunities, such as fishing, boating, and wildlife watching, have boosted tourism and provided local businesses with new opportunities. The restoration project has created jobs in habitat restoration, research, and monitoring, contributing to the local economy. The restoration of the Kissimmee River has not been without challenges. It has required significant resources, time, and effort to overcome the impacts of decades of human intervention. However, the success of the project demonstrates the value of investing in conservation and restoration efforts for the long-term health and sustainability of our ecosystems. As we continue to face environmental challenges such as habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change, the restoration of the Kissimmee River stands as a shining example of what can be achieved when we work together to protect and restore our natural resources. It serves as a reminder that we have the ability to reverse the damage we have done to our environment and create a brighter future for ourselves and for generations to come. The restored Kissimmee River is a testament to the resilience of nature and the power of conservation efforts to reverse the course of ecological disasters and restore thriving ecosystems. For more videos, stay tuned to our channel, and if you like this video, please like and share the video and subscribe our channel Watch It Play. Thanks for watching.